So hi guys, this is Snow for those who doesn't know me yet, and I know I haven't introduced myself in any of my videos. So yeah, this is gonna be a simple video. I will just show you how I do my wing liner, because I have a hooded eyelid. So it's kind of hard for me to do an eyeliner, or it's kind of hard for everybody who has a hooded eyelid like me to do their wing liner. So I'll let you know what I'm wearing right now. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm back. I'll teach you how I do my wing liner. So this is very simple. And I'm not a pro makeup artist. I'm not a pro at wing liners. It can be very big sometimes, or it can be very asymmetrical or asymmetrical, however you want to say it. But yeah, this is just how I do it, and I'll show you how. But before all of that, I'll let you know first what I have. I just used my Face Shop eyebrow pencil and then tinted it with the Maybelline Master Brow again. Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 19. Again, it's too light for me, but I like super bright under eye. On my cheeks, I have nothing on my cheeks. This is just my malar rash, my butterfly rash. I just let it show. That's why you can still see my skin poking through. The highlight though is the Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio in the shade Molten Gold. Yeah, Molten Gold 100. So this is my highlight. See, it's very blinding. And I love it. That's also what's in my inner corner. And I just powdered my face using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation Loose Powder. On my lips, I'm wearing the NYX Liquid Suede. And again, I have no glasses. In Downtown Beauty. So yeah, it's very... I'm not sure if it's warm, but I think it's warm toned. Yeah, it's very warm brown. Very bold for a brown lipstick, but I like it. I'm usually into bold lipstick. I can wear black if I want to. I can wear a very red bright lipstick, or a very dark red lipstick, a purple, but not pink. I'm not really into pinks, even nudes. I have nude pinks, but really not into it unless it looks good on the makeup that I'm wearing or on the clothes that I'm wearing. But yeah, so let's start. So this is what I'm gonna use. It's a Maybelline HyperSharp liner with the gold cap. There's one with the purple cap and then the red cap. The red cap I think is more expensive than this one, but I've always used this. I used the red cap as well before. I like it. It's nice. I don't know the difference. But this is what I use. It's very inky. It's very black. It's matte. It's not shiny. It doesn't flake or anything. For me, it doesn't smudge. Maybe because I bake and I wear a lot of powder and I spray with matte setting spray. It's just a preference. I also like the K palette the red one, black liner. What else? There are a lot of liners out there that's really nice. I have the Tarte. No, I'm not sure if it's Tarte or Too Faced, but it's the cat. The one with the cat lid. With the cat ears lid. That's really nice as well. But this is what I'm gonna use. So everyone can buy this. I think it's $3.99. And it's drugstore, so it's easy for everyone to access this liner. So yeah, let's start. So first, what I like to do is position myself where I'm very relaxed. I don't have a table in front of me. So yeah, this is what the tip looks like. Wow, very 2010 beauty vlogger. So yeah, it's a brush tip. So I like to shake it first. Actually, close it first before you shake it. I like to shake it first to make sure the ink is on the tip. So I like to position my pinky on my cheek. This is the closest I can get into. So I just draw a line. I look straight in my mirror. I can see my hood. I can see my lid. And I know where I'm gonna start. So I draw a line like that. There. There. So I draw a line, and then I keep my eye open and connect it to our eyelid. So you can make it sharp. It's better if you do this before you have all your makeup, so you can clean like under there with the concealer or whatever you have. So obviously when you open your eye, there's a gap. You have to connect that gap to your lid, to the line that you made. To make it not so obvious. So when you open your eye, you can still see the liner, and then it connects directly. And then I just stamp the brush on my lids. Closest to the lashes as possible. And as you can see, this is quite a big line or wing, because we did a high, or we began with a high line. There. I would like to fill in closest to my lashes. Sometimes I tight line with this as well. If you can do it, do it. Not everyone can tight line with a brush tip liquid liner. There. As you can see, if I open my eye, it's straight and it connects to my liner on my lid. But when I open, it may look weird for you that it has that gap there, but that's what we get for having hooded lids. So at least if I open my eye, it's not like drooping downwards or something. You can just connect it. So this is a very bold eyeliner. That's what I tell you. My liner can be big, and it's usually big because of my hood. I have very huge space here because of my hood. It droops down. I wish it can go up like that, but I can't. So yeah, that's how I do my liner. As you can see, it's not perfect. It's too big here. If you think it's too big there, like for me, I can just add a line. There. See? That's how I do my liner. It's usually big and dramatic. And yeah, that's because of my hood. I'll do my other eye off cam so you can see how it looks like when it's done. And I'll be right back. So there, I have both liners on now. As you can see, they're very bold, but that's usually what happens when you have hooded lids. But I'll try to do another tutorial doing a very thin or very wearable one. But for me, this is wearable. I don't have mascara yet, so ignore the white or the powder on my lashes. So that's how I do my liner. And it's usually like this because of my hood, because I like to connect the gap there. I don't want it to be obvious, like if I open or if I close my eyes, it still looks connected. But I can show you another tutorial using a thinner liner or thinner wing if you're not comfortable wearing this bold liner or wing. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm sick. I have sniffles. So yeah, there you go. This is how you look like, and this is how the wing looks like. So that's my wing tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's somewhere down there. And I'll post more videos, maybe vlogs about my illness, more about makeup. I really enjoy and love makeup. So, or do a full face on what's inside my makeup kit or makeup bag. And anyways, that's it. I hope you like it, guys, and bye!